give a brief introduction of wheels and tires. We know that in an automobile, the motive power is produced by the engine. This power gets transmitted through the gearbox and propeller shaft to the driving axles. Now, to utilize this power into motion of the automobile, an assembly is used at each end of the axle, which is known as wheel assembly. Thus, we can define the wheel assembly as the circular component of an automobile that is intended to rotate on an axial bearing. Wheel assembly mainly consists of wheel hub, wheel, tube, and tire. Now let us discuss about the wheel in brief. Wheels of an automobile are similar to the legs of a human being. The vehicle cannot be towed without the wheels. They support the whole weight of the automobile and also convert the rotary motion of the axle to longitudinal motion of the vehicle. To cater to these functions, a good wheel must have the following properties. It should be strong enough to take the weight of the automobile. It should be flexible to absorb the road shocks. It should be light in weight to reduce the unsprung weight. It should not deteriorate with weathering and age. It should be easy to mount or remove the wheel. The related term is